Hello Odoo, I hope you all are doing great. So in this video we will see how the price list in Odoo can helpful and we can manage products with discount period. We can give the discount. We can set a specific like fixed prices. We can give the formula based discount something like on the minimum quantity and on like specific sales period we can assign this price list so it will change the price of the product based on some category uh, and we can use on the sales application and also on the e-commerce shop, right? So how we can configure, right? So we can go to sales configuration settings, and here price list we will enable this and save this. And now you can see here price list is visible, right? So let's say if we see this product, the actual price is 100. If I go to website, then also you can see is 100. Also if I create a quotation and it set price is 100, right? So let's say we go to the price list here, and let's say if I here you can see, let's say we can set a specific company based. We can give the website, like it will apply on which website, right? And also on the country group, right? So and here we can add a category based, so it will apply on all product category. It will apply on product basis. We can set a minimum quantity, validity period, right? Also we can give discount as a percentage, as a formula, as a fixed price. So let's say if I select this chair floor protection, if I give discount as 10 percentage, right? And I save this. Now if I go to quotation, I can select customer. You can see this is the price list default. If I set this product, and you can see 90, automatically 10% discount assigned to this product. Also same we can see in the website. If we open this product in the website, you can see here 10% discount added. You can see this is discounted price and the actual price, right? So in this way we can use the price list feature in Odoo to manage in the e-commerce and the backend sales, to give discount and manage different price rule, right?